This is a modular home, and the builder told me that he had done the investigation on metal roofs, and everybody told him that they could not put a metal roof on a new construction. We went to the builder's show. I went up to American Metal Roofs, and they said, absolutely, we can do it on new construction. Being that this is a modular home, they don't send it with any shingles if you're going to have a metal roof. What they do is they put weatherproofing on it, but they did it backwards. So the rain would come in underneath, and it flooded my upstairs out every single time it rained. I let American Metal Roofs know, and they came out and they covered the roof with the shield that they put on before they put the metal roof on, and then that stopped the leak. From the very first time I called American Metal Roofs on the phone to everybody I spoke to, we just felt comfortable. We felt no high pressure. In fact, because of the ventilation system that Mr. Farmer and his associates came up with, the house is now 3 years old, and so far so good, no problems. It was ironic because the builders were local, and American Metal Roofs had to come from about an hour to an hour and a half away. They would show up an hour before the builders would show up, and then they would be here an hour to an hour and a half after the builders left. They made sure that every step of the way that I was included. They were just a great company to do business with. During the building process, people would stop by and take pictures from the sidewalk, or they would pull in the driveway and take pictures. The big draw to the beauty of this house, in my estimation, is the roof. So many people pull their phones out and take pictures of the house. The day before yesterday, guy was walking by, I saw him, he stopped, got his camera out and took a picture of the house. It makes me feel good that people like the looks of my house so much that they would like to take a picture of it. My wife and I really thought long and hard because metal roofs are expensive, but I am so happy that I put it on. I have no regrets, no second thoughts. The roof is going to outlast me. Even though it was a pricey, well worth the money and the enhancement to the beauty of your home.